that's just our Betty Crocker fudge brownie mix. Coming in with our mini Oreos. We're just gonna get these spread throughout that brownie mix, making a super easy and delicious dessert today, a favorite and a crowd pleaser. Now I've got my Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake original. I'm just gonna use my scooper here, and we're gonna start adding some cheesecake in, just a little bit here and there. We've got our chocolate chip cookie dough from Pillsbury, which is a favorite of everyone. If you don't love just a traditional Pillsbury chocolate chip cookie dough, I don't know what planet you're from, but it's not Earth. Now, of course, you can make your own cheesecake from scratch with a little bit of cream cheese, a little bit of lemon juice, some powdered sugar, some vanilla extract, but we like to do it this way. It's just quick, easy, and efficient for making this delicious, easy party dessert. Now, of course, I'm coming in with my rainbow sprinkles. It's not a party treat if you don't have rainbow sprinkles. They are my absolute favorite. I don't understand people who don't like sprinkles like my husband. It's a major point of contention between the two of us, as I love them and he doesn't. All right, now I've got my hamburger smasher, and I'm just hamming this up, and we're gonna start just smashing down our cookie towers. We want these to spread out and become super easy to mix in here with all of our other delicious ingredients, such as our brownies, our mini Oreos, our cheesecake. Look at that. I am not working out today, let me tell you that, folks. This cookie dough is strong. Perfect though, this is coming out perfectly. All right, we're just gonna start finishing this up using my Hubba Beachy flippers to break up this beautiful cheesecake mounds with our cookie dough, with our brownie batter. This is a classic dessert everyone loves. You can't go wrong. It's got something for everyone in it, and it's just perfect for your next holiday get-together or party. All right, we're gonna fold in our brownie batter here, in with our cookie dough. Like I said, this is a super easy holiday treat. I like to make this around Christmas time when everyone's visiting. It's a great dessert to feed a group. You know, sometimes I like to add mini marshmallows in here. You can use different kinds of cookie dough. This is an all-American, delicious dessert, a real fan and family favorite. All right. We're just smoothing this out into an even layer so our cookie dough can perfectly cook. Look at that. Oh my God, doesn't that look delicious? Our brownies, our cookie dough, our mini Oreos, our cheesecake. We're just gonna close our lid on our Hubba Beachy here for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to enjoy this delicious dessert. Alrighty, y'all, look at our brookie Blackstone masterpiece. And then of course, just put some more sprinkles right on top to make this super decorative. You can use icing if you want. I'm not using icing today, but I do love icing. All right, and what goes better with a brookie than some vanilla ice cream? So I'm just gonna put some vanilla ice cream there. And now let's grab ourselves some of this delicious brookie. And don't worry if things are a little bit lightly done, because Pillsbury cookie dough is safe to eat raw. And to be honest, that's the way I prefer to eat it. Alrighty, y'all. This is gonna be the next best dessert of the year. So easy, so good. You gotta try it.